Hi everyone, myself Purnachandra. I am studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Branch Electronics and Communication. Today I am discussing the topic about RLC circuits. Introduction to RLC circuits. RLC circuit consists of resistor R, inductor L and capacitor C connected in series and parallel. These circuits are fundamental in electrical engineering and play a critical role in filtering, tuning and oscillation application. Understanding RLC circuits is essential for analyzing their behavior in alternating current AC and direct current DC systems. Components of RLC circuits: the resistor limit current flow and dissipates energy as it following Ohm's law. The inductor stores energy in a magnetic field when current passes through it and opposes changes in current. The capacitor stores energy in an electric field and releases it, affecting the voltage and current in the system. Types of RLC circuits. RLC circuits can be classified into series and parallel configuration, affecting their impedance and behavior. In a series RLC circuits, the same current flow through all components while the voltage is divided among them. In a parallel RLC circuit, the same voltage is applied across all the components, but their current can be different. Impedance in RLC circuits. Impedance is the total opposition to current flow in an AC circuit, combining resistance, inductive reactance, and capacitive reactance. The impedance of series RLC circuit can be calculated using the formula Z is equals to R square plus XL minus XC square, where XL and XC are the inductive and capacitive resistance respectively. Understanding impedance is crucial and for analyzing circuit behavior and designing effective RLC circuits for specific application. Resonance in RLC circuits. Resonance occurs when the inductive and capacitive resistance are equal, resulting in maximum current flow and minimal impedance. The resonant frequency F0 can be calculated using the formula F0 is equals to 1 divided by 2 pi LC, where L is inductance and C is capacitance. At resonance, RLC circuit can be used for tuning radio frequencies and enhancing signal clarity in communication systems. Damping in RLC circuits. Damping refers to the decrease in amplitude of oscillation in an RLC circuit over time due to resistance. There are three types of damping: undamped, or critically damped, and overdamped, each affecting the circuit's response to changes. Understanding damping is important for applications like audio equipment and oscillators where control over signal quality is essential. Applications of RLC circuits. RLC circuits are widely used in radio, transmitters, and receivers, allowing for frequency selection and signal processing. They are also utilized in audio equipment to filter out unwanted frequencies. enhancing sound quality. Other applications include oscillators, trimmers, and energy storage system in power supplies and converters. Analyzing RLC circuits. Circuit analysis techniques such as Kirchhoff law and complex impedance are used to analyze RLC circuit. Time domain and frequency domain analysis helps to determine the circuit's response to different signals. Simulation software can be employed to visualize and predict circuit behavior, aiding in design and troubleshooting. Practical considerations. Component tolerance and temperature of coefficients can affect the performance of RLC circuits in real-world applications. Proper circuit design and component selection are critical for achieving in desired performance and efficiency. Safety precautions should be observed, especially in high voltage or high current applications to prevent hazards. Conclusion. What is RLC circuit analysis? RLC circuits are essentially in a variety of electronic applications, demonstrating their versatility and importance. A true understanding of their components, behavior, and applications is critical to engineers and technicians alike. Ongoing advancements in technology continue to enhance the design and functionality of RLC circuit in modern electronics. Thank you.